Order filled.
What's up, traders? Okay, it's been a choppy day, but okay, we had this downtrend, and then we had this range, and actually what I saw here, what I saw here is this range with two legs, and I was about to fade the range, but there was no second entry here because it was first entry, second entry. The second entry actually failed here. But when we broke back into the range, and then we gave this first entry and second entry with the great bullish bar, indeed below the moving average. However, I saw it as a very bullish sign because this is one leg break, second leg, fading this range. You see this range? Immediate followed by the first entry, second entry, but also it's a trap. Why? Because this is a first entry and this is a second entry short, and here it's a double trap. Why? First entry, second entry long, first entry, second entry short, failure. I went long here and I took 15 or 16 points, and actually I was in the money about 20 points, and it was a mistake because I had to take the money here, but somehow I had this feeling that we are going to ride it higher, but you know, life isn't perfect. Anyway, 15 points, maybe even 16 points. That was my only trade today. So far. Take care, guys.